Okay, now in this video, we're going to be talking about volume of pyramids and prisms. Volume is the space inside a 3D shape. It's the number of cubes inside of a 3D shape. Okay, so what's the formula for volume of a prism? Well, we're going to do volume equals big B times H. What does big B stand for? That is the area of the base. So, for a rectangular prism, that's going to be length times width times height. Length times width is the area of the big base times the height. And then for a triangular prism, it is going to be the triangle, base times height divided by 2 times the height. So, here we go. Volume for this one is just going to be big B is 2.25 times 5 times 3.5. You just need to multiply the 3 together. And volume equals 39.375. And remember, perimeter area volume, 1, 2, 3, it is feet cubed. Okay, same thing for this one. Length times width times height, 7 1/2 times 4 times 2 1/2. Also on that, think about what's 1/2 as a decimal, 7.5. Just put that into the calculator. And you get a volume of 75 inches cubed. Okay, here's this triangular prism now. So remember, big B, so that is going to be 6 times 3 divided by 2 times our height of 10. So 6 times 3 divided by 2 gives me 9 times 10 gives me 90 centimeters cubed. So for this one, we're going to do the triangle is the base. Remember, base times height. So our base and our height are right here where it makes the right angle. So 2.3 times 1.4 divided by 2 times 0.7, which is the height that is going to be here between the two triangles. So 2.3 times 1.4 divided by 2, then times 0.7, 1.127 meters cubed. Okay, try this one on your own and then come back and check it. So it's going to be the base and the height. So 4 times 6 is the height divided by 2 times the height of 12. 4 times 6 divided by 2 times 12 gets me 144 centimeters cubed. So now the volume of a pyramid. So it's going to be still the area of the base times the height divided by 3, because there are 3 pyramids that fit into a prism. So it's going to be big B times H divided by 3. So you'll also see big B times H times 1/3. Those are equivalent. I tend to just stick with the divided by 3. So for the volume, we have 10 times 10 divided by 2. It is not divided by 2. It is a square. So it's going to be 10 times 10 times 12, the height of the whole shape, then divided by 3. I made the mistake a lot of people make. So our volume equals 400 centimeters cubed. So it is not divided by 2 because the base is a triangle times the height of 12 divided by 3. Now we have a triangle. So volume equals 12 times 10 divided by 2. That's for the base times the height of 17. Then the whole thing is divided by 3. So 12 times 10 divided by 2 times 17 divided by 3 gives me a volume of 340 inches cubed. Okay, next one, volume equals 8 times 8 times 9, length times width for the base, and then the height of 9 divided by 3 because it's a pyramid. So 8 times 9 divided by 3. Volume equals 192 centimeters cubed.